Hey ladies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mrs. Emily Paints, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look with the Botanical palette by Beauty Bay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Remember to subscribe so that you guys can watch some more makeup tutorials, and also make sure to check out my most recent post as well on here. And okay, you guys, we're going to be starting off with the shade Nest, and we're going to be applying this on our outer corner of our eye. Do not go above the crease with this eyeshadow color, you guys, because it's very dark. This palette does have a lot of fallout, so I do recommend doing your eyeshadow before you do the rest of your face. No worries though, we can clean that off right after. I love these colors though because they're very pigmented, and look at how nicely that color is getting applied. Now we're going to take that same shade and apply it into our inner corner as well. You guys, I didn't set my concealer on purpose because when I don't set my concealer, it grabs the eyeshadow better and it sets it with the eyeshadow, making it darker and nicer. Now we're going to be going in with the shade Sea Moss, and this is very powdery, you guys, so you want to get small amounts and start applying it little by little. And I'm going to be using tapping motions to apply it and then circular motions to blend it out after it is sticking to my concealer. Okay, and also remember that blending is key, you guys. I know these shades are way off. Like, one is very dark and one is very light. Just keep blending in circular motions, and I promise it will start smearing and it'll start blending into something really nice. We're doing the exact same thing on the other side, you guys. Also, if the color at the bottom starts disappearing a little bit, don't worry, we are going to be applying some more product. So if it starts disappearing, it is totally fine and it is normal. Next, we're going to be going in with the shade Tundra, and we're going to be applying this above the shade Sea Moss. And we're just going to be using a fluffy brush to apply this, ladies. We're going to be going in circular motions and side to side motions. It is okay to bring this shade towards the center of your eye because I know we haven't been applying product there. So lightly, this shade, you can apply it all across your eye the way that I am doing. And you will see why it will all come together once we start using the center shade of our eye. This is a very light warm shade, so it's barely even noticeable on camera right now on my skin tone. I think it's actually my skin color. But it looks really nice, you guys, when the whole look comes together. Now we're going back in with the shade Sea Moss, and we're going to be applying some more. Make sure, you guys, you apply little by little because this shade is very powdery. So we're going to be doing that on both sides, and we're kind of going to bring that in towards the middle just a tiny bit, just so that it doesn't look like there's nothing on there, but just don't apply too much, okay? Let me know if you guys have any other color suggestions in the comments so that I can create some tutorials specifically for you guys. Now, you guys, we're going to be going in with the shade Nest again, and we're going to be applying some more of that product. Be careful with this shade because it's very dark. And see, what I'm doing here is I'm just doing small light circular motions at the very top of where I applied this shade. And this is just going to give it that little smoky and blended effect. Now I'm going back in with the shade Sea Moss, and I'm just going to be applying some more right above that. That way it can start looking a little bit more blended. And as you guys can see, those colors are coming together. And after this, you guys, I'm going to be taking some setting spray, and this is from Morphe. You guys can use any setting spray you guys want, and I'm going to be spraying this onto the shade Canyon, like so. And this is just going to create a brighter effect for this shimmery shade. And it comes on a little bit more intense, so you want to be careful with this. And I'm just going to be applying this in the center and just slowly start bringing this upwards towards where we applied the shade Sea Moss. And we're going to be just blending this with the other shades like I am doing right now. Take your time applying this shade, you guys, because it is very shimmery and it has some fallout, so just be careful. The setting spray does stop it from doing that a little bit, but just in case, be careful. We are going to be taking our brush towards the outer corner and that inner corner area of our eye where the darker shade is at. And it is okay, but I'm only doing this now because the brush has less product. As you guys can see, it's not erasing the dark area of our eye. Now I'm going back in with the shade Tundra, and I'm just going to be blending out the top area so that the shimmery shade blends in with the other colors. And now I'm taking a Neutrogena makeup towel remover, which are my favorite, and I'm just going to be sharpening up that outer corner of my eye so it gives us that cat eye effect. And if it helps, you can pull your skin a little bit back like I am doing so that it helps you line it up really well. Next, we're going in with the eyeliner from Italia Deluxe. You guys, this is my favorite. I mentioned this in every single video. I recommend this. It is very dark and matte. It's my favorite. Also, you guys, if you would want to intensify this eyeliner a lot more, I'm not doing it for this video, but I'll show you guys in another one if you guys want to learn. After you apply this eyeliner, there's this technique where you apply black eyeshadow right above it before it dries, and it just gives you like the most perfect, and I mean perfect, dark eyeliner. I'll show you guys this technique in another video. Next, I'm going in with the Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. You guys, I don't use this mascara often, but I wanted to try it out. It is brand new. I think I've only used it like twice. And I'm only going to be applying a simple coat just to hide my lashes with my falsies. Now, while I'm at it, I'll let you guys know my review on this mascara. It is not my favorite. I enjoy my ColourPop mascara. I don't think any other mascara can top that one. But anyways, I'm going to be going in with the Violeta lashes, you guys. I've been using these so much. They're from my website. The link is down below if you guys are interested. I love these lashes, you guys. They're so perfect. They're short. They're fluffy, but they're short, and it just gives like that perfect like cat eye look, as you guys can see. So this is what it's looking like so far. And we're going to be going in now with the shade Tundra, and we're going to be applying this on our lower lash line. Try to get it as tightly in there as possible, you guys. We're going to be applying this with a small brush and side to side motions. If you guys see anybody moving in the background, it is my sister. She came to visit me with my little niece, so you're going to be seeing them moving around in the back probably. So yeah, you guys, we're just gonna be blending this out side to side. Try not to grab too much product so you don't have a lot of fallout, since we already have our base on. And now I'm gonna be going in with my ColourPop eyeliner just so that I can blend those two together and it looks really nice and put together. And now I'm going in with the shade Savannah, and we're just applying a little bit on that inner corner. Remember the technique I use with the setting spray? I use the exact same technique with this inner corner area. Now I'm going in with my, this is actually the other mascara. This is the ColourPop one, because you guys know I love this one and I love the way it leaves my lashes. So the bottom lashes are super short, but this one just really brings them out. And this is the finishing look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, remember to like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know, like I said earlier, if you guys have any other shade you guys want to see. And also, comment the word orange down below if you watched it all the way through. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.